I'm John Cohen, and this is My Tech. We are all creatures of habits. We sometimes just want a smoothie when we wake up in the morning, or maybe we want a mixed drink when we get home. Well, regardless of where you are, at home, on the road, or just on vacation, the Blendi Pro Plus is a great solution. Let's have a look. Made from BPA-free material, the Blendi Pro Plus is very simple. It's got the blender here, which has a USB port in the front to charge it. You have the spout in the top here, so when you're ready to drink your smoothie, very easy to do. And we have the storage container, which can be used to store extra material like fruits and vegetables, as well as the cap that goes between the two pieces here. Built in is battery protection so that you're not going to overcharge the Blendi Pro Plus, so you don't have to worry about that. And there are other safety features which I really like. So if you don't have the actual cylinder on, the actual blender won't work. It gives you an error message. So you're not going to risk yourself getting cut with these very sharp blades. When we're ready to start making something, let's go ahead and make a smoothie. We're going to put our components in. So we'll go ahead and we'll stick some ice in there right away. We'll put some juice. And we'll go ahead and put also in some of these strawberries. Strawberries and blackberries. We'll add a little bit more ice. And we'll add some more juice in there also. Whoops. And now we'll just go ahead and basically put them all together with the bottom up. And we're ready to go. Now that we have all the components in our Blendi Pro Plus, we are ready to make a smoothie. It has 120 watts of power and ice crushing technology. So let's see how it works. Automatically shuts off when it is done. Now, of course, you can use it like this and open up the lid and drink it that way. And of course there is a safety button here so the lid doesn't open accidentally in your bag or something. But what I much more prefer doing is putting on the cap on the bottom. So to put the cap on the bottom, all we're going to do is flip it over, upside down. We're going to go ahead and open it up. And we'll go ahead and put the cap on. And just like that, you have a smoothie that you're ready to take with you anywhere you want. To open it up, we'll go ahead and pop open the lid and take a drink. And again, like I showed you before, if the lid is open, it's not going to go ahead and work, even though it has full power. So you don't have to worry about anything safety related, just because the blades are very sharp. When you're ready to clean the blades of the Blendi Pro Plus, it's very easy. It does not go in the dishwasher or anything like that. It's just a matter of putting some water in here in the cap or in the actual blender if you want to use it that way, and that works just fine. With a little bit of water, and you could put dish soap in here also if you want. We're just going to go ahead and put the cap back on, and we'll spill that over. And just like that, we're ready to give it a quick clean. And of course, that will give it a nice quick clean, and you'll be ready to use. And of course, you just want to give it a quick wipe down with a tissue. So very easy to do. Just give it a quick wipe, get out any excess water, and you're ready to go for your next smoothie, just like that. It can't be any easier. Once you're done with the actual Blendi Pro Plus, cleaning it is just really easy. You can just go ahead and stick the bottom part onto here with the Blendi Pro Plus, and away you go, and you're ready to go ahead and clean it. And that will clean it. Whether you're making power shakes, smoothies, frozen beverages, it doesn't matter. The Blendi Pro Plus is great to have. And with one charge, the blades will go ahead and give you 15 blends. So you can do multiple drinks. So whether it be, making a smoothie in the morning and then a power shake in the afternoon before you go to the gym, or if you want to go ahead and make a mixed drink when you get home, you have plenty of power built in there. with its built-in safety features, its 120 watts of power, and its ice crushing technology. The Blendi Pro Plus is a great solution for anyone who wants to blend something on the go, whether you be sitting poolside or at the gym or somewhere else. All in all, a great product. I will put a full description below, and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.